Hi friends, in this video tutorial I am going to tell you about cout object, a very important object of IOStream library. Now let's see first of all what cout stands for. If we look at cout, it stands for console output. Means if you want to show something on console or if you want to put your output on console, you should use cout object. Now let's first of all see how to use that cout object in your program. So for to use cout object in your program, you should include iostream header file. After that I am using namespace std. This is because every time I am using any standard library function or any standard object, I need not to write every time std colon colon std colon colon std colon colon cout. Otherwise I need to write every time std colon colon cout or std colon colon any function name or object name. That's why to avoid that I am writing once using namespace std. Suppose I want to show some string, say hello world on console. I will just say cout less than operator hello world, and I try to run the program. Here you see. Suppose if you also want to show integer, say 12 after hello world, you can also do that with same less than operator. Now you must have heard many times that you should use printf instead of cout, and printf also do the same thing. It is also used to show your output on console, and it is predominantly used in C language. As you know, in C++ also you can use every C language functions, or every each and every C language code is also compilable in C++. Why many times people say you should use printf? I am going to tell you the reasons and how you can avoid using printf. I am also going to demonstrate. The very most important reason to use cout over printf is to avoid problems with data type. Printf is not type safe. I will show you how. Let's say you have three variables, say int a equals to 10 comma b equals to 20, and say float f equals to 12.5. Now I use printf to show all the three values on console. I am writing %d, %d and %f, and %d for a, then b and then f. Now if I run this code, it will work properly as per expectation. No problem in this code. Now let's see what if I by mistake or intentionally write here %d. Your expectation must be output would come 10, 20 and 12, because %d stands for integer, and it should truncate .5 because integer doesn't have decimal point. But let's see what output comes. See, 10, 20 and 0. It is not showing 12.5, it is not showing 12, but it is showing 0. One more thing, it's last variable, and that's why it is showing 0 at last. What if I wrongly place it at very front of my printf, and I am trying to print f at very first? If I run this code again, and let's see magic. I am using %d in place of %f now, and see, yeah, all values get wrong, all values get messed up. Why? Because you just made one mistake here. You are using %d instead of %f. Now why it should happen, I don't know, or how things are going wrong with printf. With only one variable change, it is showing almost all values of variable wrong. I don't know why, but it is how it is. But cout, you do not make this type of mistake with cout, because cout simply says just tell me what is your variable, I will take care of how to print it down. So if I'm writing F, it will print the values. It is not asking me for which data type I should use for showing the output, but it just says tell me the data type and I will show the output on screen. So this is one reason. Few more things you do with printf, like say it's a float, and if you want the width of your number should be 10 and precision should be say 4, and you are printing that number, you can do this type of thing with printf. Yes, you can see that. Okay, I need to comment this out because it is interfering my output. Yeah, see, now 12.5000, because I have given width of 10 and precision for 4, and let's see, width of 10, it is actually keeping that much space. You can actually print 10 characters in it. It is keeping that much space, and it is used mostly in formatting. How you do same thing with cout? Let's see. If I am using cout and I need to comment printf now, cout, and only taking example of set precision, and to use set precision I must be using IO manip header because it's a manipulator. Set precision, and I am putting precision to 4, and also set width, set w. Set w stands for set width, and set precision is used for precision. I am also doing same thing, and here you go. You can see same output with cout. Now cout is more precise. If you do not have any value after 5, it is not showing 0 0 0, and if you have some value, it will actually going to show that value, right? Now you can actually print, say you have %d, and instead of I'm saying its width is 5, but whenever there are no numbers, use 0 as a filler. Now when you run this code, and again I need to comment out this cout lines, I can see my output properly. Yeah, see, whenever you just say %d and comma a, it is just showing value of a as 10. It has not preceded with any value, but now you have explicitly said like whatever the values, it should fill with zeros if it is not filling that width. Instead of this 0, you can also use x. Oh, sorry, it's going to be messing up, sorry. So you can actually fill those values with 0. Now same thing you can do with cout also. Cout, and what you are doing here is set fill, and you can put any character. I'm saying just 0, right? If you run this code, and here you go, whenever the values are empty, it is filling it with zeros. So this is what you can do with cout also. One more thing, this is a formatted output. One more function is there in cout, and that is write. This is known as unformatted output. Suppose it takes two parameters, first one is string and then counter, how many bytes you want to actually show onto string, say on the console. So I am just saying here say 2. So I have put string as HELLO, but I have set counter as 2. So it will just show me HE, and it will not show LLO. So let's see the output. See, only HE is getting printed, not HELLO. So these type of things you can do with cout. Cout is type safe. It has many manipulators, and you can do much more things, intuitive things with cout. So thank you very much for listening my video, and if you have any doubt, Please comment, and your comment will only encourage me to make more videos. Thank you very much.